Welcome back to another tutorial on the Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners. Now in this lesson we're going to focus on keyframes. Now if you remember earlier on, I had told you that I'll create a lesson where I'll focus on keyframes and what they're all about. Now in this lesson we're going to create an effect using keyframes. So I want to create a zoom in zoom out effect using this clip on the waterfall clip. So this is just a clip, it's just a waterfall planning, and I want to create that effect here. So what I'll do is I'll just move this to the beginning of the clip. So ideally, if you do not have anything on top, like any graphics, you can actually just place it here. But as you can see with my graphics, it will make it a little bit harder for you to see the effect. So I'll choose to just start the effects from over here. So I'll just place this over here and show you selected it so that it can appear over here on your effects control. So under effects control, you can see all the properties that we have and that we can play around with. So I'll just move this a little bit. There we go. And then I'll head it over to scale. So we're going to create the zoom in, zoom out using scale. So I'll click on the toggle animation key, and this will add a keyframe to this area. And you can see I can actually select it and move around, and it's this little diamond shape. So I'll just place it back. Now from here we want to first zoom in before we zoom out. That is the effect. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in this clip. So just click and drag to the right. I feel like 160 is okay. There we go. So let's start our clip off at 160. Click here, let's drag it, let's place it here, add another keyframe. So you just click over here to add a keyframe, and you can also click over here to remove a keyframe. So let's add another one, and now let's start zooming out. So I'm just going to go down to 150. I want to create a gradual zoom out effect. So again, let's just move this just a little bit, add a keyframe, zoom it again. Let's just go ahead. You can actually move them if you want. So I'm just going to click and drag this over here. Let's create some space. So again, we have add another keyframe. Let's continue zooming out. Then over here towards the end, you can create actually two more. So place this here. And then the last one will be towards the end. There we go. And there we have it. So let me just take this back. Let's play our clip. So you can see the gradual zoom out effect that we have created. Again, let's just play the clip again. So it starts with the zooming effect, and you can see the gradual zooming out of the clip. Now, another thing that you'll want to do is select all of them. Just click and drag your mouse, then right click, select ease in. By doing that, it will make the transition much more smooth than it was at the beginning. So let's play that again. You can see now that the transition will flow smoothly. So basically that's how you use keyframes to add movement to your clips. It can be photos, video clips, or anything. So just go ahead and try it out and see how it will work out for you.